I have already been busy this morning. It is Messy Monday, and welcome to Messy Monday. And wow, did I have a mess on my hands this morning. After all those grandkids, I had quite a bit of cleaning to do this morning. I have done laundry, I've done dishes, I have done the floors. What else? I picked up things around the house that I found that they left laying around, and that's okay. That's okay. But I did find time to finish up my fall decor. I don't do a lot, but I do a little bit, and I just want to share that with you this morning. I hope all of you have a great Monday. Before I could put out my mums last week, I had to harvest my herbs, and my husband and I made this rack on the wall to hang them on so they could dry out. Last year I dehydrated them, and that takes a lot of time. This was perfect. And I've still got a few more that I need to harvest to hang on there. I always like to really give my back porch a good cleaning in the fall, in the spring as well, but in the fall, when I set out my mums, I like to wipe everything down with some Awesome and a wet rag, and also clean out the corners. And I have quite a few fake pumpkins. When I was younger, I would buy the real pumpkins and they would just rot. I think I'm satisfied with how this corner looks. And now I'm going to put out my fake pumpkins, and voila, this corner's done. And there's my wreath on the door. My little mama bought that for me in the fall, the first year that we were here in our new home. And then I have another corner I'm cleaning out, and there's my aloe vera plant that I bring in every year, and it's got some spiders on it. Got to get that cleaned out. I don't like spiders. And this is usually how I display my mums in the fall in this corner. I just love to look at these colorful mums, and I do have a few pots sitting around on the back porch. I only gave $3.99 for those at Aldi's. Mums are outrageous this year, so you better go get you some while you can. They still have them. At least they do in our local area. Then moving into the house, in my dining room, I've got my leaves displayed that I painted a while back, and I've got a candle burning that smells like pumpkin, and some little pumpkins on my kitchen table. Then in the corner of my kitchen, I placed another one of those leaves I painted from the Dollar Tree. You can catch that video if you look back in my archives. I really do keep my decorating at a minimum. I like to change out these flowers in the kitchen window seasonally. Flowers on the windowsill remind me of my grandmother. She always kept flowers on the windowsill. Then moving into my living room, I have never ever been able to get my living room like I want it. I love this shelf, but I can never find things to put on it. We may have to decorate my living room one day. But I like to put pumpkins and fall leaves on this shelf. I even have a few little ceramic pumpkins in my guest bathroom, and I will leave all this out until after Thanksgiving. And just a tip on those mums, I've learned that if you water them from the root once a week and also keep those blooms picked off when they die, then your mums will last a lot longer, and they'll last until Thanksgiving.